Hello traders, in this video we will talk about very relevant topic, crypto versus Forex. What best in terms of shortest possible learning period and maximum profit? Comparing Forex and crypto, let's discuss the topic from the angles of most crucial factors. First of all, market capitalization. Market capitalization of crypto market is about $3 trillion, while Forex market is worth more than $80 billion as per 2017. But if Forex exists for more than decades, it took crypto market to gain first trillion for the 12 years and the second trillion for the next 11 months. What conclusion could be made? The interest and flow of investments is increasing very intensively towards the crypto industry. The next parameter, volatility. As you know, crypto market is much more volatile rather than Forex. It gives traders more chances to gain extra profit, of course taking into consideration the risk management. In Forex, volatility is not so high that makes Forex less attractive for scalping. The next factor, range of instruments. If we are talking about Forex, you know that there are only 21 fiat pair to trade with. In crypto, the instruments popping up almost every week. Each of them brings its own market inefficiencies, robots and characters of price movement. Then working hours. In this aspect, crypto market wins again, as it works 24 hours, 7 days per week, while Forex is traded 5 days per week. You potentially have more opportunities to trade at weekends if you're trading crypto. And finally, the most important thing that makes crypto trading much more attractive, order book analysis. Most people who trade Forex analyze only the graph, the chart namely. That in fact is only 50% of the analysis. In crypto, we can analyze order book and have more chances to earn by only such simple scalping things as volatility graph using just only order book, robots, huge limit orders and the pullbacks from these limit orders, difference in correlation between spot and futures order books, and so on. But if you combine all this knowledge with graphical analysis, it gives you even more advantages. Those if you want to make extra profit with very small trades of good profit-loss ratio, crypto scalping is for you.